Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. Two candles of the same height are lighted at the same time. Now they are of the same height, so we will assume that the height is x. The first is consumed in 4 hours. So we'll just form the equation for the first candle. Now the initial height is x and it was fully consumed in 4 hours means every hour 1/4 of the height is removed, or every hour 1/4 of the height is consumed. So at the end of 1 hour, x/4 of the height will be removed or it will be consumed. Like that for n hours. So in n hours, the height of the candle can be given by this equation. That is, original height is x. Every hour x/4 of the height is removed, like that for n hours. So this will be the height of the candle after n hours. Next we will form the equation for the second candle. And the second in 3 hours. Original height is x and every hour x/3 of the height is removed, like that for n hours. So this will be the height of the candle after n hours. Every hour 1/3 of the total height is removed, like that for n hours. In how many hours, that is, we have to calculate the value of n, after being lighted was the first candle twice the length of the second candle. That is, this two candles, their heights should be in the ratio 2:1. So from this ratio we can calculate the value of n such that this ratio is 2:1. That is, first candle is twice the length of the second candle. We'll just solve this equation. Now I'll take out x common outside and I'll cross multiply also. Now if you take out x common outside, x into remaining 1 minus n by 4. That is equal to 2 times x I'll take out common. Inside you have 1 minus n by 3. Now I'll cancel out the x. Now LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So I'll multiply throughout by 12. So all the denominators will go off. So 12 minus 12n by 4 is equal to 2 into 12. That is 24 minus 24n by 3. Now 4 divides 3 times. 3 divides 8 times. So I'll just write down this equation here. So 12 minus remaining 3n, that is equal to 24 minus 8n. Negative 8n, I'll just bring it to this side. So 8n minus 3n, you will get it as 5n. 5n is equal to 24 minus this 12. So you will get it as 12. So n you will get it as 12 by 5. That is, n is the number of hours required. So 12 by 5 hours, that is same as 2 and 2/5 of an hour. Now here answers are given in hours and remaining in minutes. So we'll calculate what is 2/5 of an hour. So you have 2/5 of an hour. We'll convert this into minutes. To convert hours into minutes, you have to multiply by 60. Here 5 divides 12 times. So 2 into 12, you will get it as 24 minutes. So 2/5 of an hour is same as 24 minutes. So the time required is 2 hours and 2/5 of an hour, that is same as 24 minutes. So time required is 2 hours 24 minutes. In this much time, the first candle will be twice the length of the second candle. So time required 2 hours 24 minutes, option A. Two candles of the same height are lighted at the same time. They are both of the same height, so we will take each of them as x centimeter. Now the first is consumed in 8 hours. So we'll form the equation for the first candle. Now we will assume that the initial height is x centimeter. and every hour 1 by 8 of the height will be consumed. It is fully consumed in 8 hours means every hour 1 by 8 of the height will be consumed. So after 1 hour it will be x minus x by 8. 1 by 8 of the total height will be consumed. Like that for n hours. So this will be the height after n hours. Initial height is x. Every hour x by 8 of the candle will be consumed, like that for n hours. So this will be the height after n hours. Next we'll form the equation for the second candle and the second in 6 hours. So initial height is same as x and every hour x by 6th of the candle will be consumed, like that for n hours. So this will be the height of the candle after n hours. Initial height is x. Every hour x by 6th of the candle will be consumed. It is fully consumed in 6 hours means every hour 1 by 6th of the total height will be consumed, like that for n hours. In how many hours after being lighted was the first candle twice the length of the second candle? Now this is the length of the first candle, this is the length of the second candle after n hours. And you must find out the value of n such that this ratio is 2:1. That is, first candle is twice the length of the second candle. So their lengths are in the ratio 2:1. So we need to find the value of n. So we'll just solve this ratio. Now x I'll take out common and I'll cross multiply also. So x into remaining 1 minus n by 8. That is equal to 2 times x into here remaining 1 minus n by 6. Now I'll cancel out the x. Now LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. So I'll multiply throughout by 24. So all the denominators will cancel out. So 24 minus 24n by 8, that is equal to 2 into 24. So 2 into 24 minus 2 into 24 into n by 6. Now 8 divides 3 times and here 6 divides 4 times. So here you have 24 minus 3n. That is 24 minus 3n is equal to 2 into 24, 48 minus 2 into 4, 8 minus 8n. I'll just bring negative 8n to this side. So negative 3n plus 8n. So you will get it as 5n. 5n is equal to 48 minus 24. That will be 24. Or n you will get it as 24 by 5. Now 24 by 5 is same as 4 and 4 by 5th of an hour. Now here answers are given in hours and remaining in minutes. So you will get the time as 4 and 4 by 5th of an hour. So we'll just calculate what is 4 by 5th of an hour in minutes. 4 hours and 4 by 5th of an hour. Now 4 by 5th of an hour. To convert hours into minutes, you have to multiply by 60. So 4 by 5th of 60 minutes. Now 5 divides 12 times. So 4 into 12 gives you 48. So 4 hours and 4 by 5th of an hour is 48 minutes. So you'll get the required time as 4 hours and 48 minutes. So in 4 hours and 48 minutes, the first candle will be twice the length of the second candle. So required time 4 hours 48 minutes. That is option C. A fox is pursuing a rabbit. While the rabbit takes 7 leaps, the fox makes 6 leaps. So we'll just compare the speeds of rabbit and fox. So you have the rabbit here and you have the fox here. Now while the rabbit takes 7 leaps, the fox makes 6 leaps. So we will assume that the rabbit will make 7 leaps per second. So in 1 second the rabbit will take 7 leaps. So in the same 1 second the fox will make 6 leaps. The fox will make 6 leaps per second. Also 5 leaps of the fox is equal to 6 leaps of the rabbit. Now 5 leaps of the fox. So 5 fox leaps. Now that should be equal to some value. So we will assume that 5 fox leaps, that is equal to x meters. And that is equal to 6 rabbit leaps. So 6 rabbit leaps, that should also be equal to x meters, so that they are both same. So you can see 5 fox leaps is equal to 6 rabbit leaps. Now here you have 6 rabbit leaps is equal to x meters, which means that 1 rabbit leap is equal to x by 6 meters. Here you have 5 fox leaps is equal to x meters. So 1 fox leap is equal to x by 5 meters. Now the question is, find the ratio of the speeds of the fox and rabbit. So first we'll calculate the speed of the fox. Now the fox makes 6 leaps per second. So per second 6 leaps, and each fox leap is equal to x by 5 meters. So this will be the speed of the fox to speed of the rabbit. So 7 leaps per second, and each leap is x by 6 meters. So into x by 6. 7 leaps per second and each leap is x by 6 meters. So if you find the ratio of fox to rabbit, their speeds will be in the ratio 6x by 5 is to 7x by 6. I'll just cancel out the x, and also I'll multiply by the LCM of 5 and 6. LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So all the denominators will go off. So if you multiply by 30, here 5 divides 6 times. So 6 into 6, 36. Is to here 6 divides 5 times. So 7 into 5, you will get it as 35. So ratio of the speeds of the fox and rabbit is 36 is to 35. So option A, 36 is to 35. A fox is pursuing a rabbit. While the rabbit takes 4 leaps, the fox makes 3 leaps. So we'll just represent this data. So you have the rabbit here and the fox here. So when the rabbit takes 4 leaps, fox makes 3 leaps. So we will assume that the rabbit makes 4 leaps per second, which means that in that same 1 second, the fox will make only 3 leaps. So fox will make 3 leaps per second. So in a fixed time, when the rabbit makes 4 leaps, the fox will make only 3 leaps. Also, 2 leaps of the fox is equal to 3 leaps of the rabbit. So 2 fox leaps, that we will assume it to be x meters, and that is equal to 3 leaps of the rabbit. Now 2 fox leaps, we are assuming it to be x meters, so that is equal to 3 leaps of the rabbit. So 3 rabbit leaps, that should also be equal to x meters, so that they are both same. Now from this we will get 3 rabbit leaps is equal to x meters. So 1 rabbit leap is equal to x by 3 meters. And 2 fox leaps is equal to x meters. So 1 fox leap is equal to x by 2 meters. Now we'll compare the speeds of the fox and speed of the rabbit. Find the ratio of the speeds of the fox and rabbit. Now what will be the speed of the fox? Now here 3 leaps per second. 3 leaps per second, and each fox leap is x by 2 meters. So 3 into x by 2. This will be the speed of the fox. Next we will calculate the speed of the rabbit. 4 leaps per second, and each leap is x by 3 meters. So this will be the ratio of their speeds. Now I'll cancel out x on both sides. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So I'll multiply throughout by 6, so all the denominators will go off. So I'll just work it out here. 3 into 6 by 2 is to 4 into 6 by 3. So 2 divides 3 times. So 3 into 3, 9. Is to 3 divides 2 times. 4 into 2, 8. So ratio of their speeds will be 9 is to 8. So find the ratio of the speeds of the fox and rabbit. They will be in the ratio 9 is to 8. Option A. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only rupees 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of rupees 200 either through Google Pay or through Phone Pay or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.